Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar Wish Week. Okay, so you wish for songs, and I bring them up for you every day this week, not only Wednesday. So we have a whole week with your songs, guys. So thank you everybody for interacting with me so far. We have Maisie Peters now with Body Better. Better Body Better. Anyway, this is you, Anna Daisy. You wished for this one, and I remember you. You've been on this channel before, and I will remember that you also wished for Maisie Peters before, I guess. So you really dig her, and we are many who like and appreciate Maisie Peters. So thank you, Anna Daisy, for interacting with me here on Going Guitar. Let's do this for you and all you Peters fans. Let's go on here with this tutorial. All right, so no need for any capo on this one. We are clean on the fretboard, and we have only 4 different chords. Okay, so we're gonna go over the chords right away, starting with the G. That goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have A, and that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. D next, so that is open D string, 2nd G, 3rd B string, and 2nd E. And then we have the final chord. It's a bar chord, the B minor, where you bar the 2nd fret, and you don't have to bar the last E string here in the bass, but the 5 strings below. You have to, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. All right, so we have 4 chords, G, A, D, and B minor, and we need to learn how to handle them. So the strumming pattern is next. If you grab the first chord, the G, one string around will be down, up, clap, up. Okay, so like this. Down, up, clap, up. Down, up, clap, up. Couple rounds. All right. You could, if you don't want to do the clap thing here, you could replace that clap with a down as well. So if you go that route, then it will be just basically down, up, down, up. So you can go there as well, and it will sound like this. If you play like that, then I would try to emphasize that down that replaces the clap. So when you do the downs and ups, stay at the bass and mid area, but for that down, the 2nd down that replaces the clap, go down to the higher strings there. In that way, you get some colorful strumming, so to speak. So it will be bass, bass, top, bass, 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 top, bass. All right. So either way, down, up, clap, up, or down, up. It's your choice. I would go with the clap and have the rhythm built in there, but it's your choice. If you think that is easier, just go with down, up, and that's it. All right, so we're gonna go into this actual song, and we have this main pattern. It goes pretty much 95% of the song, and it is to play G 4 string rounds, A 3 string rounds, and D1. Okay. So this is the main pattern, G4, A3, D1, like this. Okay, and that just rolls like this. So again, G4, 2, 3, 4, A3, 2, 3, D, G, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, D. All right, So it's very, very easy to just play that. But then we have two different pre-choruses, and they're played a little bit differently here in the song. So this pre-choruses happens about 30 seconds into the song, and then 1 minute and 35 seconds into the song, okay? So two different timestamps there. So the first round there at 30 seconds, you're gonna play the chord progression I'm gonna show you soon for 2 rounds, okay? So the first round is to play G, 4 string rounds, B minor, this is where the B minor is used, 2 string rounds, and A, 2 string rounds. Okay, so G4, B minor 2, A2, like this. Right, that's the first round here out of 2. The second round is to play G4, B minor 2, and then A, just 1 down to start with, and that could be the end of this A, because if we play that in that way, you just play A 1 down and give a long pause. That pause builds up for the chorus that is played with in the same way that we learned the main part, G4, A3, D1. So this is in the second round. You play again G4, B minor 2, and then A1 down with a big pause. It will be like this. And there is the pause. So that is one way to go in the second round. But the second way is how I would suggest you play it if you can. You can start with just the 1 down on A and pause, but then you can also go up and play in the way I'm going to show you right now. So that would be to play still 4 times on G, then B minor 2 times, and then A 1 down, as we just learned. But during that pause, then you have kind of a chewing style. It will build up for the chorus and the main part you're going to play soon. So you don't just give kick and wait for that long pause. You play 5 fast downs, okay? So it will be like this. Okay? So that will be to play the same way as we learned the first version. 1 down on A, and then comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and pause. Just a short pause, and then you come with the main part again. So from the G, the B minor and A, I'm gonna show you that slowly. It goes like this for 4 rounds. So actually we can start from the B minor. I think we have understanding for G4, and then comes B minor 2 and A, this second version I'm gonna show you. So starting from B minor, and then the main parts, and so on. So there we have the 2 different versions. Even if you if you're not comfortable with this 5 down so far, you can try to play just 1 down with A and give it a pause, a long pause there, wait for the main part. But then when you're comfortable, then play in the same way, A, 1 down, short pause, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and short pause, and then start the main part. So the second time you play this in this first pre-chorus that starts about 30 seconds, this is where you utilize this style here of the A playing. All right, so that's that when it comes to the first pre-chorus. The second pre-chorus happens about 1 minute and 35 seconds into the song. Okay, this time you only play pre-chorus for 1 round. In the first 30-second timestamp, you play for 2 rounds. This time only 1 round, and that means you're gonna play this second version, so to speak, in this pre-chorus that happens about 1 minute and 35 seconds. So you're gonna play G4, B minor 2, and then A in whatever version you choose to play there. Only 1 down if you just go that route with the pause, or the 1 down plus the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the main parts. All right, so enough of chit chat. That actually wraps it up for Maisie Peters' Body Better. So I hope you enjoyed this, and Daisy, this was special for you, but also for all fans of Maisie Peters, but of course for all Gordon Guitar subscribers. I hope so. I hope you appreciate it, everybody, and yeah, subscribers, I mentioned it. Feel free to join the family here. And yeah, it gives me motivation to go on when I see the family grow. So thank you so much for your support, guys. Until next time, play tuned.